You know how they make sweet potatoes?
No.
They take the potatoes and they put a lot of sugar on it, and that make it sweet potatoes. You know that, right?
No.
That's not true. Stop telling me penny foolishness. It's a damn fool.
A quinoa.
Look at your face. Look up there. Say hi. Say hey. Say good morning. Mean mugging. Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. My voice is back. Not 100, but it's good enough to talk to y'all. It's good enough for me. You guys, it's a brand new day, and I'm feeling, when I tell you that these medications that I got from my doctor work, I mean they work. I got antibiotics, and I had got another one to mix in some water and drink it 3 times for the day. And girl, it works. It works. At nights, I still have a little cough. The kids still have a little cough, so we're not there 100%, but we're better than the day we were, the day that we were before. See? And the day before that. So that's good. Everybody is still taking their medications and stuff like that. On the other hand, hopefully you guys are having a good day and it's doing way better than we are or we were. But we have life, so give thanks, and that's all that matters. Oh, it feels good to be talking to you guys. Listen, when I tell you that it's hard when somebody have to have a voice for you, it is no joke. It is no joke losing your voice. When you can speak up for yourself, when you can say what you want, how you want, whenever you want, and somebody have to relay that for you, it's no joke. So when you have a voice, use that voice. Tell somebody you love them, encourage somebody, make somebody smile, say something, because when you don't have that opportunity, it's not cool. And I've dealt with that the past few days. I have to be whispering. However, here goes Sarah. Say good morning, my princess. Look in the camera. Say good morning. Say good morning. And here comes my prince. Want to say good morning?
Yes.
Okay.
And also finish.
Hold, look at that pretty face of yours.
Good morning.
Good morning, who? Who you wanna tell good morning? Who are you talking to? Yeah, so say good morning, face. What are you doing?
I'm doing activity.
How are you feeling? Are you feeling better?
Yes.
Yeah, a little bit of cough still and a little bit of running nose still, but ready for school on Monday, huh?
Yeah.
You're excited to go back to school,
Yes.
don't you? He's been home for 1 week, you guys. Tyler been home for an entire week, and the entire week that Tyler has been home, he has finished one of this book of activity, from a brand new one, from start to finish, and start on another one. That's all he wants to do in the day. Normally kids are home here.
I already finished.
You finished this activity?
Yes.
Okay.
There's not much of
No. This bottom one, you're going to go and rub them out and make sure that every word holds in the space. That's the aim. Okay? Rub them out. But this, very good. But down here, you have to make sure that they hold in the space. None needs to be on the outside. So you write them small and neat. You remember how Mama teach you to write your name small and neat?
Yeah.
Go ahead. Tyler loves school. He loves doing activity. He loves reading. He loves learning. That's all he ever wants to do. So right now, baby's off to work. It's the weekend, and it's Friday though. I am up, house is all fresh, don't have any hard cleaning to do today. I am gonna make me some breakfast before this one goes down for her morning nap. Right? She's so adorable. Anyway, you guys, have a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated, and thank you guys for all the encouraging words and all the prayers and all the well wishes and get well soon that you guys have been sending me. They've all been received. Love you guys, and I'll catch you guys throughout the rest of today's vlog, shawty. What do you want to say for yourself? You have something to say for yourself? Yes? No? Maybe so? Okay, so this activity, the next page, let me show you guys an idea of what Tyler is doing. In this one, he's gonna be writing the letter F, capital F here, and a smaller version of the F here, and then down here he's gonna write capital E and a small version of the capital E. So that's what he's doing in that activity, just to give you guys an idea of some of the activity he does. Okay, come here, go sit down. You guys, I am here laying down with Sarah, chilling for a bit, and I am watching a Jamaican YouTuber by the name of Steven. Steven's YouTube channel is called SOAI Vlogs. To be exact, SOAI Vlogs. It's called Stuck on an Island. That's the abbreviation for Stuck on an Island. When I tell you that Steven is one of the best, and I'm not even exaggerating, Steven is one of the best Jamaican vloggers that have came across. And ever since someone recommended Steven to me, I've been watching his channel. If you miss home, Steven is gonna make you miss it even more. When I said he does some amazing vlogs, he does a lot of the things that I like to do when I go to Jamaica. Like, I like to go to downtown, I like to go in little areas, but when I say Steven do it, I mean he does it. Steven go in every little area in Jamaica. He does a lot of cooking outdoors. Right now I am watching one of his latest vlogs where he's outside cooking crispy fried chicken. When I tell you, the boy can cook, and he does a lot of catch and cook. Like, he catch crabs and cook them, he catch crawfish, cook it, he fried whole chicken outside. Listen, Steven does it all. He eats a lot of street food, like real street food vibe. Steven Vlogs is a whole mood. I recommend every single 13+ subscribers of you that I have here to go over to Steven's channel and spam his latest video and said Mel sent you, and show Steven all the love. When I say you'll be hooked, you're gonna be hooked. Love you, Steven, and I love watching your vlogs. So go ahead and check out SOAI Vlog, Stuck on an Island, and he's also on Instagram. You can find him at the same handle. Anyway, go check out Steven. All I'm yardy, and even if you're not yardy, you're gonna love Steven. Trust me, Steven is a real down to earth youth, and he does it all. He does a little traveling too. When I said he does, Tyler, stop. When I said he come closer. When I say Steven does everything, I mean he does everything. Look at my two kids. Tyler acting a fool with Sarah. Anyway, you guys, I'm gone back to being mama. Look at Sarah's face. Don't put your tongue so close to her.
Sarah? Sarah?
you guys see what Tyler doing to make her smile? Look at this clown. Look at this boy. Look at this boy. Sarah's like Sarah. She loves it. That's all that matters. You still there? Hi. Hello. What you doing? What you doing? Dad, you're gonna fall. Oh my god. He's gonna fall, is he? Sarah, brother gonna fall. Is brother gonna fall or not? Tell brother to get off mama back. Tell brother to get off mama back. Tell brother to get off mama back. Zara, pull it from here. Die! Tyler! Die! Jesus! Die! Come here! Come here! Sorry, should mama take anymore? I need to go and make my baby's lunch. Come. Well, Sarah lunch already made, but I need to go make Tyler lunch. Sit.
And your lunch, actually.
And my lunch too. That's true. I always think about everybody else except myself, right?
Yeah.
Blow. Let's see if I whip up something real quick for his lunch. I think I'm gonna cook a little bit of rice. Cause I don't want to raw. I ain't doing the carbs, girl. I'm gonna cook him some rice. And some chicken. Here's what I'm making for lunch and dinner. I'm throwing in these chicken legs in the oven to make them roast. I just seasoned it and put some olive oil on it. And that's going to roast for about 35 to 40 minutes. And that should be good to go. I have rice over here, gonna go for Tyler. And then I'm gonna cook some veggies for dinner, which is gonna be broccoli, green beans, and carrot. And then I'm gonna have some raw salad with some of the chicken for lunch. And that should be shortly. I'm in the mood of making lunch and dinner at the same time. I also prepared Sarah's lunch, and Sarah is gonna have yogurt and food that I made here for her. And this is, as they call it, I'm sure, sweet potato, carrots, and green beans. Hi, honey. I'm okay. I'm good. About to feed the kids. Who's ready for lunch?
Me and not Sarah.
You ready for lunch?
Me and not Sarah.
Look, lunch?
Sarah not ready.
Sarah is ready. You guys, did I tell you that Sarah don't like to drink water out of a bottle? She likes to drink out of a cup. My girl is a whole big girl. Okay, you guys, my job here is done. That's lunch, and I'm gonna add chicken to it. That's veggies for dinner. That's the roast legs. And that's some rice for my boy. Voila. All done. Guys, I am here trying to get some stuff together so that when babe gets home we can step out to the supermarket because it's supermarket day and he doesn't have to go to the supermarket without me today. He'll be happy. So I'm getting Sarah bottle ready and I'm going to feed the Tyler eat and I'm gonna eat so that when babe gets home we can just step out. It's been a very productive day. Just when I am ready to head out to the supermarket, guess who decided to fall asleep at 6 p.m. almost 7 p.m. Sarah. Look at her. Fall asleep. She had a rough late afternoon though because her teething was bothering her a lot and she was really whiny, so she didn't really nap properly unless she was on me. So okay, she started. Homegirl went to work. She had a 9 to 5. Anyway, y'all, we're here waiting for babe. He should be in any minute. So we're gonna head to the supermarket. And we'll see you guys when we get back with the supermarket haul. Okay, yo. Look at this one watching TV. Ty, why are you standing there? You guys, we just got back from the supermarket and look who's still awake.
And we buy nothing. Buy nothing.
What? We didn't buy anything?
No, we only because the summer thing to put in the bin.
What? Tyler,
We need to
stop.
go back to the supermarket.
You are hilarious.
Oh!
What?
You did that.
Come, let's show the face what we got. You don't have all day, you crazy head.
There is some happy biscuit to go in the bin.
Tyler, stop the foolishness now. You clown. Come on, stop.
There's some happy biscuit to go in the bin.
Ty, stop. Now. What else we got? He's so funny. Come on.
Some Sarah food.
Carrots for Sarah.
Yeah.
Take the things from off the top. What is this?
Spaghetti.
Spaghetti. Ty, it's beef means. Tyler says spaghetti. What is this?
Some happy biscuit to go in the bin.
Stop saying it's supposed to be. Stop that now.
A football. A football. A football.
What's that?
I wanted some basketball. I need some basketball.
What is this?
A basketball.
You want me to drop it in your head? Cabbage. It's his father's fault, you know. It's babe's fault why Tyler behaving like this during the house. What is this?
Some kiwi. Some little kiwi.
Emma, what
And
is this?
some red bird happy whiskey. Some tree. Some little tree. Again, some little tree.
More broccoli. It's babe's fault why Tyler behaving like this.
And some.
What is this?
That is some. There is one football and one basketball.
Avocado.
Some more ball burn. And the favorite of caribou.
What is caribou?
Caribou is reindeer.
This is the favorite of reindeer.
So Isam. Great orange bird. Isam orange and green bird.
Babe,
Yeah.
this is your fault. I blame this on you and nobody but you. Why Tyler acts a fool when he's doing the supermarket haul. He's saying all the things that you would have said. He tell me say the broccoli is trees and the tomato is for the bird. And this is basketball and football and how this is kiwi. Oh
He's
God.
learning.
And some.
That's called
And some
education.
apple juice. And some
Apple juice. That's apple juice. That's called education.
Come finish the house.
You educate your kid to act properly.
The act of
Chicken.
fool.
Chicken time.
Yes,
Honey, you are not in the frame, please.
It's some chicken that do some egg.
Can you make the chicken? You're wondering what you're doing in that family?
Sarah,
What have I done to myself?
Tyler, what's come from the chicken?
some egg.
The egg.
Yes,
That's the egg after the chicken.
yes.
So behind the chicken there's egg.
Yes.
Yes. So what you use egg to do?
Don't eat.
To eat crepe.
Yes.
Okay, but have you been nice to eat crepe?
No, it's not to do crepe. It's to do some chocolate cake.
Okay. Right, you're right. You can do chocolate cake with the egg too.
And also the cheese. I can do.
And cheesecake. You do cheesecake with egg
No
too.
cheese.
No.
Chocolate to make chocolate cake. There's
Okay.
also some chocolate.
That's my breakfast, guys. That's my breakfast. I need some things to stop eating Tyler biscuits.
Some ketchup.
That's
You
barbecue
eating Tyler
sauce.
biscuit in the morning?
Sometimes I do.
And then you say it's me wake up at night?
As confessional. Barbecue sauce. Barbecue sauce.
Ah, there is some lots of ball yellow. Lots of ball yellow.
Nesquik. Nesquik is this little rabbit.
And lot.
You have Nesquik in Jamaica?
Nesquik is an international brand, honey. Don't
Oh
insult.
no, it's
No,
some
I'm not
chocolate.
Saying opposite is written Nestle. Nestle is
Nestle is
Switzerland.
a very big brand in Jamaica.
Nestle is from Switzerland.
Yes, Sarah. Tell them say tappy nice, man.
What's tie?
C'est chocolat que tu as pris.
Yeah, nice bob them.
Le gâteau au chocolat.
Okay, you want to use that to make chocolate cake?
Yes.
Okay, and you want to use the oil too? To make an oil cake?
No.
You don't want no oil cake?
No.
Papa take some juice so you can have juice. Only if you're nice. Are you nice to get some apple juice? I don't think you're nice. I don't think you're nice, so you get only water.
No, apple juice.
Only.
Tyler, watch your head. The thing is out. You guys, this is what I have to deal with. This is what I have to deal with. This is what I have to deal with. These two. And baby's making Tyler a
You're hungry.
Pray for me, y'all. Pray for me. Is the whole finished? You're taking out things and I don't hear you telling the pigs nothing. No, I'm not in his soul.
What's going on with you?
Even know they like when you not act a fool and annoy
I'm with you. Tyler, what's going on with Mama? Have you been not nice?
me. You know, you just hit Sarah.
Yeah, nicely. She's not even crying. You love your papa. You love your papa.
If me jealous.
That's dinner for Babe. She's on diet, so she decided to eat some Sarah dinner. That's for Mama?
Yeah, that's for Mama.
Yes, that's Mama eat that when she wake up in the night. She eats when she can't find new snack. She taking Sarah snack. That's how she is. So we take some pure.
You tell her hot for me. You know hot for me. You know hot for me.
Then you say it's me. Then you
But
say
it's hot.
no, you're not finished, Tyler.
Yes, Sarah. So them
No, you're not
stay.
finished. Look, we have a lot more. We have some shrimp. We have some yogurt. Some yogurt for Tyler. Tyler eat a lot of yogurt. That's good. That's good milk. Some yogurt for
Yes,
Sarah.
I'm gonna
too.
make your butter right now.
Look, Tyler, we have another bag. Stop putting your hands in my pocket. It looks like you're a robber.
Am I rubber?
That's teeth that do that. Your teeth.
No.
You some milk for Sarah. Everybody got a lot of milk.
Yeah.
Everybody got a lot of milk. Some
Except
sweet potatoes we got. They're sweet. You know that, Tyler? They're not salty. They are very sweet. You know how they make sweet potatoes?
no.
They take the potatoes and they put a lot of sugar on it, and that make it sweet potatoes. You know that, right?
No.
That's not true. Stop telling me penny foolishness. It's a damn fool.
A quinoa.
You're
You
fine.
know how to make sweet potato?
Somebody like the last time we did tortillas. Hablas español? Mi amor.
Anyway, you guys, I'm gonna leave y'all with these two. Let them finish up while I go and look after Sarah because she's hungry.
You're tired. Estás cansada. And to finish, some avocado and some bread for Tyler, because Tyler loves toast in the morning. Well, he used to love toast, because I don't know this morning if he ate, but the last morning he used to not finish his breakfast, and that's not usually. So I hope when he go back to school, he will go back to eat normally, because at school they're not gonna allow him to eat at any time. Anyway, guys, I didn't see you today, so I hope you have a great day. That's Friday. That's the weekend about to start. Tyler is exciting. He looks much better. Baby's voice looks like it came back. Sarah is fine, so looks like we're gonna have a nice weekend, right? We're gonna have a fun weekend. Well, she didn't answer me. I don't know what. I tell her earlier that all the weekend she have to organize the weekend. She have to make us to do, and she have to organize.
Not me.
My girl having her butter. She's
Papa, tu as un gros ventre.
and I'm tired.
You watching Peppa Pig?
Yeah, you what Tyler just.
You watching Peppa Pig?
Tu as un gros ventre, papa.
Tyler telling me that you have a big stomach.
Non, toi, tu as un gros ventre, papa. Tu as un gros ventre. Tu as un gros ventre. Tu as un gros ventre.
You know what the big stomach gonna tell you?
Non, toi, tu as
You-
gros.
That's normal. I'm gonna
Leave
eat.
her. She having her food.
I'm gonna eat all of your ice cream.
No.
Yes, that's what the big stomach do.
No.
Anyway, you guys, we are gonna just end it here for tonight.
Papa.
Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new, catch up and keep up with the fam bam.